Hey guys, Derek here. So, it's been a while. Not much been going on. I've been waiting for this thing to show up, which is my Saturn, which I pre-ordered back in June. So, it's just shown up today. I'm doing this during my lunch break, so I'm going to do what I can. Hopefully get the video out later on tonight. You might hear a few other noises, such as cats and a washing dryer, but I'm going to crack on. Okay. I do not know which way round I should be opening this. But it's been, like I've said, since June. It's just come through today. Okay. Let's get you a bit closer. Right, so as you can see, I've got the Saturn in there, I've got a box, toolkit, it also says UK on the toolkit as well, so that's good. So we've got the plastic scraper. Now I normally use this just to clear off the excess resin from the vats that I haven't yet used, so always comes in handy that. We have a power brick, which is a it says it's a 241 24 volts 4 amp with a standard kettle lead insert. We have some gloves and a measuring jar for the resin. You might have seen my cat come in because obviously it's a box. In here, what have we got? Right, so in here we have a same USB as we did on the Elegoo Mars. That will have all the bits and pieces in it. Some more flush cutters. We have it would have been an Allen key, but it's a screwdriver. A very sharp spatula. We have some filters for emptying the resin back into the bottles. We have, well, we all should have these anyway, but these are masks. We have an Elegoo Mars and my Mini Factory 10% discount, which goes until June next year, which is quite nice. Let's have a look. We've got some tools, we have some screws and some more Allen keys. Here we have the levelling paper. Now this levelling paper is fairly thick, it's more of a card than paper, which is different to the Elegoo Mars. So that's the levelling paper, and it tells you in clear instructions how to do that. I think the easiest way of getting this out. Right, so hold on. Yeah. If I pull out this bottom piece. Put that there. Move the box out of the way. I'm sure that the cats will jump in there in a moment. Right, just make sure that you guys can still see. A little bit over this way. Got some top part. We have the one piece plastic that goes over the top. We have just a bit of foam that held it stable. We have the bill plate. That's my hand. Fairly large hands, so I think they said it's about 2.5 to 3 times the size of a Elegoo Mars. Place that there. Nothing in there, that's good. We have the vat. Okay. We have the vat. So you take that part off. Make sure that's all nice and clean. There is, please do not remove this black tape. Please peel off the film before printing. So we can't remove the black tape, but we can remove the film. And there it goes. So let's put the vat back. Now the vat sits on these indents, sorry. There's indents around it, so there's one here, one here, one here, and one on the other side. The vat goes in. It sits in there and tighten that up, Now, take off the front part of the screen. That's that bit done. And what we want to do is take a quick look at the back. So you've got the Ethernet port, and so it can be networked. There's some grease on there. And that is it. That is the Elegoo Saturn. Just going to take this off. And that is that. Obviously I apologise for not uploading any videos recently. It's been a little bit more tricky for me to get hold of items. Also the, oh you can't see, move this, oh. So I'm doing this. So obviously Skolder has finished his 3D mystery boxes for the UK, which is the main thing that I was uploading. But now I've got this, I'm going to do some testing and upload my findings with this. So there it is. Oh, sorry. there it is. There's my Elegoo Saturn. I will put it to test as from later on tonight. I've got a shift to do at work this afternoon, so I will have it up and running after that, and hopefully we'll do a video of me setting it up as well. Okay, so once again I apologise for not getting any content out, just down to time and the COVID situation, and also trying to get hold of new stuff, new products. This is the latest thing I've got for 3D printing, so I will do a video on setting this up and going from there. Okay, many thanks. Also, be yourselves, subscribe, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the like button if you like it if you do, dislike it if you don't, and be yourselves. See you soon. Bye.